In Google Meet, when you present a PowerPoint in slideshow mode, but your audience complained that they can't see it in full screen, then try any one of these three methods. Method 1. Instead of clicking on slideshow mode, click on reading view very near to it. Once you click on it, your audience can see the presentation in full screen mode. The second method, while you share your presentation, from these two options, click the first one, your entire screen, and then share your entire screen, and then open your presentation and make it in slideshow mode. The third method, go to your desktop, right click over here. From these options, click on display settings. Now in this window, under scale and layout, click towards scale. From this drop down list, set it as 100%. Okay, now close this window and now try to share your presentation in full screen mode. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video by iTech Tips. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for my latest updates. Thank you.